See the size of this. It's all over. Everywhere you can see these craters around. Prince Chaudhary reporting for Pune Times Mirror. We are live and exclusive at the Swargate bus station. Take a look behind me at the state of this bus station. There are huge gaping holes that you can see here. These are not craters, they are huge gaping, they're deep holes. You can see the state. It's all over, and this is right in the center of the road. The buses have to travel through this. People have to walk during monsoons. As you can see now, it's half covered. When it's fully covered, you cannot make out how deep and treacherous these holes are, and they're all over. Take a look. Let's take a small walk and see the condition of this road. It's riddled with potholes, undulations, craters. It's all over. And it's right at the center. It's not even in the side. This is a huge crater, as you can see. This is perhaps one of the biggest craters that we have seen so far. See the size of this. It's all over. Everywhere you can see these craters around. And this has been there for a very long time. We just spoke to a few of the police personnel here. They also said that this thing should get reported and brought to the notice and should be repaired. We are in Swargate bus station. It's one of the most prominent bus stations of Pune, along with Pune station. Buses from here ply all over Maharashtra to every other city and town in Maharashtra from this very bus stop. And take a close look at the state of the inner roads of Swargate. Potholes, craters, gaping holes, undulations, very, very bad state, sorry state, in a state of disrepair. And right now it's filled with water. During torrential rains, you can't even see these craters. Take a look. So the authorities should wake up and have all these huge craters and gaping holes repaired so that no untoward incident or accidents or mishaps take place. The buses will not fall, but two-wheelers also use this place, these roads. Rickshaws use it. So a speeding three-wheeler or two-wheeler is bound to meet with an accident given the state of these roads. So right now we will be talking to some of the auto rickshaw drivers who ply their rickshaws from here to various places. They will give us a update and tell us कि ये रास्ते का हालत कितने दिन से ऐसा है और इसका क्या होना चाहिए.
अभी तुमको देख रहे तुम कितना खड्डा आहे. ठीक आहे. बहुत म्हणजे कुठं खड्डे आहेत. सगळीकडे खड्डेच आहेत. जिथं पहिले तिथे खड्डे. रोड तुम्हाला दिसणार नाही. पाण्यात ते सगळे. आणि इथं सांगून सुद्धा काय कोणी काही करत नाही. करणार थोड्या वेळापुरती ते खडी टाकणार हे टाकणार ते आहे तसंच राहणार. परत खड्डा होणारच. त्याला काहीतरी एकदम रिकव्हरी केलं पाहिजे ना. एकदम प्लेन काहीतरी
परमनंट सोल्युशन
काहीतरी केलं पाहिजे ना. परमनंट सोल्युशन. हे थिगळे लावतात. थिगळे लावायची कामं काय गव्हर्नमेंट थिगळे लावून करणार आहे का. पडतायत अक्षरशः पडतायत. इथं काय होत नाही. जसं सांगण्याचं काम आम्ही करणार. दुसरं काही नाही. तुम्ही आणून लावता का हे लावता का अशी आरेवाईची उत्तरं असतात. काय फायदा नाही त्याला. मी काय म्हणतो परमनंट सोल्युशन एकदम बनवून टाका ना तुम्ही रोड चांगला. का खर्च नाही का बजेट नाही तुमच्याकडे का पैसा नाही आहे ते गव्हर्नमेंट कडनं.
So what we just heard him say is that there should be a permanent solution. They have the budgets. There are so many buses flying from here. एक परमानेंट सोल्यूशन जब तक नहीं होगा, यहाँ पे कुछ ना कुछ एक्सीडेंट होगा. या तो रिक्शा का एक्सीडेंट होगा स्पीड में, या तो फिर टू व्हीलर्स का होगा. देखो टू व्हीलर कैसा जा रहा है, उसको कितना दिक्कत हो रहा है टू व्हीलर को. ओके, तो ये चीज को वंस एंड फॉर ऑल इसका एक परमानेंट सोल्यूशन करना बहुत जरूरी है. Prince Chaudhary signing off for Pune Times Mirror along with camera person Swapnil from the Swargate bus station.